Hello mga boss, I'm going to do a review and sound test of the Edifier X230. So it is priced at 3,250 at a mall in Manila, and it features a version 4.2 of Bluetooth connection. It also connects through auxiliary port. It is a 5-inch woofer. It is a wooden enclosure, and also it has different colors of light. It's synchronizing through the sound, so it is marketed as a 2.1 gaming speaker. So right now we're going a sound test. So the volume is tuned at 70 only because it's get too loud.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name. Ben Baller did the chain. Tono for the watch. Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain. Rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Lega feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas. How you get that track? I attended Harlem picnics when you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that.
Just a boy caught up in dreams and fantasy. Please see me reaching.
So I'm going to increase the volume to 80%.
You are the shadow to my light.
By the way,
Did
the
you feel
subwoofer volume is tuned at
another
75%.
star? You fade away. Afraid I aim inside of sight. Wanna see you alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you? You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel?
So there you have it. So my thoughts on this speaker when it comes to its sound quality. So for the size of this speaker, actually it's a small size 2.1 speaker, can really delivers a deep and bassy and punchy bass. So if you're a bass head, you will love this speaker. For its size, it can really fill up easily a small and medium room. So the nice thing about this speaker also is that it has a different lights synchronizing to the song. So for the price of 3,250, I think this is a good buy, or it's a good purchase. So for the clarity of the sound, if I would rate it 1 to 10, I would say it's in 7. But overall, it can really deliver a punchy and bass music. So if you're a bass head lover, I could recommend this to you. So it is available through online stores and mall. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.